This is our log cabin, the Justine from Tuin. And that's the site, all prepared and ready. And this is it being delivered. One massive pallet on a forklift truck and an impressive delivery man. Components have been ticked off and sorted in size order. You can actually begin building it. And the walls go up fairly quickly. That's my assistant there. And there she is again. I was training her, you know. Now, you can get the roof supports on, but you need decent weather to start hammering on the roof boards. Though I think I did it in the rain. It took 3 days before we could get round to that, and then longer of course to get the felt tiles in place. Here it is partially painted. Now it seemed to take ages before we could actually get every surface painted with 3 coats of microporous paint. We used floor insulation beneath Tuin's optional floor, and that makes a big difference to heat retention. And we painted it. Well, my assistant painted it. Now for a back garden workshop we wanted something better than a standard shed. And here we are, 5 meters by 2.5. We've installed lighting and power. And the Justine comes complete with double glazed windows. Double doors. And the secondary door is fitted with integral security bolts top and bottom. And the main door's got a double locking Eurolock cylinder. We thought that the 40mm logs would be adequate for keeping it fairly warm. And there it is, all painted. And there's lots of natural light streaming through the 4 big windows. And this is a time lapse of it being built. Some before and after shots. And this is what it's like working out there in an evening. Very comfortable, very cosy. So yeah, I think this is one hell of a workshop.